Hi guys, welcome to Power of MS. Let's see last week XAUUSD analysis result and next week analysis. Let's see last week um, what happened. XAUUSD. So guys, you can see here. Wait, let's see in 4 hours. Okay, here. So guys, we said if the market is high break, we expected target is for our retest area. So for our retest area, we is our first target. Then if the break is next level is our target. But last week, gold taking full retest in for our retest area, then fully downed. So you can see here in the in down, if the low is break, we expected target is this area. So downside target also full target, downside target hit. Last week some health problem, so I did not take any trades. Okay, so let's see next week analysis with full analysis is we analysis with full step by step full analysis. Okay guys, stay with my analysis. So we removed all drawings, we start fresh. Okay, we removing all drawings. Let's start with step by step full analysis. Let's see first week. You can see weekly is fully uptrend and the low it's not break and the high also not break. So this is our weekly low. Okay, we mark low, high. Okay, this is our week high and low. Okay, currently market in weekly consolidation in range on market. Okay, let's see in daily. Daily highest break, you can see highest break here and the market can return. Let's check retest level. Okay, almost retest done and here small support area. Okay, small support area. Okay, okay, 24 hours. Let's check 4 hour. So in 4 hour market down and downtrend and take retest and fully down. Market currently support in support area and taking full back. And let's see if the market is done for this impulse retest. Okay, still not break this support this. So this is our current 4 hour point 6 sorry 25 is 0.5. Okay, this is our 4 hour retest area. In daily it's fully so our daily retest area. Okay, current highs. This is our currently major high. Okay, let's see in 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes time frame, in 4 hour 618 level is here, above here. It's a huge imbalance. Okay, imbalance. Okay, so here also resistance and okay, yeah, imbalance. Ouch. So market currently in uptrend, so minorly just okay, yeah. Support area. So current support area. 30 minutes. Okay guys, let's see if the support is break. We expect a target this retest area. So if the support is break, we expect a target this. Okay, this is next target. If this area is break, next target is this. If the current this low is break, we expected this. Okay, resistance. So if the eye is break, we expect a target is first this imbalance and small correction. Right. Small correction, then again market can move this area. Okay, if the resistance area is break, so we can see here small key level here in this area. This key level. Okay, if the key level is break, we expect a target is here. Okay, this area, near this area. Okay guys, this is our next week forecast. Okay, I will show phone 4 hour forecast. Okay, so next week, first market then we expected down, then buy. For market is first down and small correction, and yeah, okay, and this. So this is our next week forecast for if the 30 minutes time retest area is low is break, we expected target was this support area. Okay, the support area 2348. If the this level is break, our next target is here. Okay, near this area. Okay guys, this is our XAUUSD next week forecast, July after 29. Okay, just follow the support and resistance and the retest area and arrow marks. If the daily retest is done, wait, I will show next level. If the daily retest level is break, so next target is this one, and next target is high, major high. If the high is break, our next fib level is this one, our daily fib level 1 2. If the high is break continuously, market is moving up direction, trend. Next, our next target is 25382 to 2556. Okay. Okay guys, this is our next week forecast result. Please like and subscribe. We post daily analysis in our YouTube community. You can check. I will show you. You can check here. So this is our last analysis yesterday, Friday, for in 30 minutes. You can see here, if the low is break, we expect a market retest can reach this area and target is here. So market last week. So you can see here for our retest. You can check my channel post, daily post. You can check, and market for our retest area full down, and support area break and target also hit. Okay, just follow my levels and arrow mark, guys. Just follow my YouTube community post. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Let's see next week movement. Okay, thank you.